বিসমিল্লাহিররহমানিররহিম আসসালামু আলাইকুম ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, কেমন আছেন সবাই? आशा करी আপনারা সবাই
ভালো আছেন।
तो आज हम जो वीडियो देखने वाले हैं जी, मेघना ग्रुप बांग्लादेश की बहुत बड़ा एक ग्रुप है, उसकी फरमाइश आ रही थी, रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी बांग्लादेश से कि इसके ऊपर रिएक्शन दीजिए। तो चलें गाइस, देखते हैं आज का वीडियो कि मेघना ग्रुप जो है वो क्या कुछ बना रहा है, कितना बड़ा ये एक ग्रुप है बांग्लादेश की। तो जल्दी से देखें।
यस
तो गाइस वीडियो है थोड़ा सा लंबा, इसलिए जल्दी से स्टार्ट करते हैं।
यस
Meghna Group of Industries is one of the largest industrial conglomerates in Bangladesh. Situated on a sprawling area of 350 acres of land by the Meghna River Port in
350
Narangaj.
एकड़ पर
Bangladesh's economy is growing at a fast pace. Behind this is a group of pioneering, enterprising and tenacious entrepreneurs. Among them is the founder of Meghna Group, Mr. Mustafa Kamal.
ये अंबानी फाउंडर।
The march of his success started with the establishment of Kamal Trading Company in 1976 and Meghna vegetable oil industry in 1989 on a small piece of land near the Narangaj Meghna river port. It is because of his honesty, devotion to work and unwavering attitude to reach the destination that has helped expanding the products of Meghna Group even beyond the bounds of the country. This group owns 32 companies spreading over 36 different industrial sectors.
Okay.
Over 20,000 people are employed by Meghna. It is a
20,000
big
plus
family
employees
of
and
3,000 dealers
20,000
and 2,000 distributors with yearly turnover of 2.8 billion US dollars.
2.8 billion।
Meghna Seed Crushing Limited produces crude soybean oil from high-quality imported soy seed. Tanveer
seed.
Oil refines that crude oil using the latest Lipico technology to produce edible oil in the names of Super Fresh Number 1 Soybean Oil,
Okay.
Super Pure and Oleo Vegetable Oil. The annual production capacity of this plant is 400,000 tons. In order to meet the protein need of the citizens, United Feed Meal employs German, Swiss and American technology to use the fish and poultry feed byproducts from Meghna seed crushing plant to deliver to the fish and poultry farms. This is a unique example of backward integration. To address nutrition deficiency and offer healthy food for a better life, Tanveer Food Limited, country's one of the top 2 powder milk marketeers, markets full cream milk powder in the brand name of Fresh, Insta, Pure and Number 1. It has a unique procurement capability from world-class milk producing factories of Australia, New Zealand, Europe and America. Total production capacity of Tanveer Food Limited is 45,000 metric tons per year. Shonargaon salt industry uses the crude salt from Cox's Bazar and employs the latest Everum technology and vacuum evaporation process from Switzerland to produce fresh super premium salt, which is one of the largest packaged salt brands in the country. With a production capacity of 115,000 metric tons per year, this plant also produces number 1 vacuum salt for the working people of the country. Using the world-renowned Bulla technology from Switzerland, Jonathan Flour and Dal Mills Limited produces fresh and fresh Actifit atta, flour and semolina. Yearly production capacity of this facility is around 115,000 metric tons. In 2016, Bangladesh Brand Forum and Millward Brown awarded fresh atta, flour and semolina the best as the brand in atta, flour and semolina category. Tasneem Condensed Milk Factory employs Denmark's state-of-the-art technology to produce number 1 condensed milk with high-quality raw material and milk powder. Its production capacity is over 2.4 million cartons per year. Collected from the best tea gardens and sifted by the most experienced tea tasters, Meghna Tea Company Limited produces fresh and number 1 tea and is also one of the top 3 tea marketing companies in the country. This facility is capable of packing 25,000 metric tons tea every year. United Sugar Mills
ये
Limited.
हमारे साथ ही है इधर.
Being one of the largest sugar mills in the country,
United.
it employs the latest carbonation and ion exchange process to manufacture the most popular fresh brand sugar. The facility itself covers 1/3 of total sugar demand of the country. For its finest quality and popular consumer acceptance, Bangladesh Best Brand Award acknowledged Fresh Brand as the best sugar brand of Bangladesh in 2016. The foundation of United Mineral Water
भाई
Limited
क्या
in
कोई चीज है जो नहीं
1998 was
बना
a
रही?
breakthrough in the Bangladeshi market for bottled water. Since then, super fresh drinking water and #1 drinking water have been the most popular and the safest drinking water in Bangladesh. Using the latest technology with a maximum 15-step refining process, including membrane filtration and drop plate method, United Mineral Water Limited is able to produce 170 million litres of water per year. Lately, this plant has been producing #1 drinking water for the working people too. Time is changing. In an era of fast-paced life and
E-Fresh
high
store
need
bhi
for
hai.
convenience, Meghna Group's FMCG division launched E-Fresh Store, a virtual e-commerce store to allow consumers to buy and get home delivery of its wide range of
वही ना,
FMCG
उसमें आप
products.
online ही buy कर
Fresh,
सकते
#1 and pure branded
आपको घर
products are
पहुंच
delivered at home within 3 hours through this unique service.
हैं. 3 hour में सिर्फ यार इतना फास्ट.
Tasneem Chemical Complex Limited,
वाह.
founded to reduce the dependency on the import of basic chemicals essential for industrial development. This plant employs bipolar membrane technology and auto-oxidation process and has a production capacity of 90,000 metric tons per year. Various factories, including dyeing plants, textile industry, detergent factories, water treatment plants, PVC factories, use chemicals manufactured in Tasneem Chemical Complex. It is a unique example of a B2B business. Unique Cement Industries Limited, a sister concern of
Cement भी
Meghna
बना
Group
रही है.
Industries, has been working as an active partner in
Unique के name
infrastructural
से है ना?
development of Bangladesh. With latest German Polycom technology, this leading cement factory has an annual production capacity of 3.6 million metric tons. This cement is
3.6
marketed
million metric
under the
ton,
brand
that's
name
nice.
Fresh and Megnacem Deluxe, and are preferred by various private and government projects in building their mega structures such as bridges and highways. By maintaining the consistency of quality, fresh cement is also being exported to India, Nepal and Myanmar after meeting the domestic demand.
Okay. इंडिया, नेपाल और म्यांमार को भी एक्सपोर्ट करती है. वाह यार.
Meghna Shipbuilders and Dockyard has built 44 lighted ships. MGI has a fleet of ocean-going vessels to import raw materials for own factories. Very recently, the dedicated workers of this dockyard has built the country's
Yeah,
largest
shipbuilders
home
bhi
trade
hain yaar,
vessel,
wow.
MT Mercantile 31, which will be able to navigate to
बहुत
all
बड़ा
the
group
ports
है.
of Myanmar and up to Vishakhapatnam of India.
और इस दौर में
To
एक बंदे
maintain
देखना मुश्किल
uninterrupted
होता है.
production of its various
Huh?
factories, Meghna Group of Industries has founded 5 power plants named as Unique Power Plant 1, 2 and Everest Power Generation Company Limited, UCI Power Plant
Hello.
Limited and MPP Power
Power
Plant
Generation
Limited.
Company, Everest.
Together, their production capacity is almost 150 megawatt. After meeting its own requirement, the surplus power is distributed to the national grid. This is yet another example of contribution to the infrastructural development of Bangladesh.
ये चीजें हैं ना जो कंट्री को उठाती हैं उनको लेके
High quality raw material and world-renowned Voith machine is behind the high quality fresh printing
Paper
and
mills
writing
bhi hain.
paper. We have imported the world famous linometric machine to produce A4 papers and copybooks. Besides meeting its own need, Meghna Group supplies paper products to different large industrial organizations, including Akij Group, Nasir Group of Industries, Walton, and Pran RFL. Meghna Group's investment in the paper industry is $150 million. Run by Germany's Windmüller and BSW Technology, Adstar Bag Limited has a production capacity of 120 million pieces of bags per annum. Besides meeting the need of our own cement, sugar, salt, tea and poultry feed industries, these bags are also supplied to other industrial organizations of the country. It exports bags to ACC Limited, Holcim India, Tunisia, Lebanon, Belarus, Canada and Binani Cement, Dubai. By using latest machineries and skilled workers, this factory has earned the Best Exporter Award in 2010-2011 and 2012-13 fiscal year by exporting its goods. In order to provide expedited business of emergency medical service, Meghna Aviation has 3 helicopters, Bell 429, Bell 407 and Robinson R66. Meghna Group has a strong distribution network that can deliver commodities by land and waterways using more than 1,000 covered vans, trucks, pickups, 19 oil tankers, 44 light ships, ocean-going vessels. 3 helicopters make sure emergency services of Meghna Group are uninterrupted in any kind of health emergency or crisis situation. Meghna Group of Industries is committed to deliver its service to the consumers at any price. Connectivity, not news. With this slogan, Ekattu TV began its journey in 2012. By presenting honest, objective news, Ekattu TV has already achieved the trust of the viewers. It has also placed itself among the few pioneer news channels in Bangladesh. Ekattu TV is another example of the diversified services of Meghna Group of Industries. Bangladesh National Insurance Company Limited started functioning in private sector with effect from 1996 to cater to the growing needs of the market. The company has become one of the trusted insurance companies in the country and has already earned significant business reputation in business community. This is a public limited company listed on Dhaka Stock Exchange and Chittagong Stock Exchange. Besides business and profit, Meghna Group of Industries has been carrying out a social responsibility in development of education, health and sports sector. The owner of the group, Mr. Mustafa Kamal, has founded multiple schools, colleges, madrasas and thana complexes in his own area. With a vision of producing modern industrial products in modern Bangladesh, Meghna Group of Industries has built an industrial park, Meghna Economic Zone, with the latest technology and world-class manufacturing capacity. Situated at only 2.5 kilometers away from the Dhaka-Chattogram highway, Meghna Pulp and Paper Mills Limited is constructed in over 15 acres of land with an investment of 1,500 crore taka. Around 2,000 efficient labourers have been employed along with the facility of modern equipment here at Meghna Pulp and Paper Mills Limited. Raw materials are imported from Indonesia, Finland, Brazil, Canada for this environment-friendly factory. Meghna Pulp and Paper Mills Limited is capable of producing 350 metric ton products every day, including offset papers, newsprint papers, carbon-less paper, coated paper, sludge board along with facial tissue, napkin tissue, toilet tissue, pocket tissue, wallet tissue, kitchen towel, hand towel, clinical bedsheet, etc. These products are mostly known as fresh brand in the market. Being well recognized at home, these superfine products are exported in different countries of the world, such as India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Dubai, South Africa, and so on. Meghna Edible Oils Refinery Limited is built over 5 acres land area at Meghna Economic Zone. Constructed with over 500 crore taka, this modern factory is fully automated. As a result, the refinery is able to produce 100% health guaranteed products without any human touch. The plant is capable of producing 1,500 metric tons of edible oil every day by 250 skilled workers with the latest Lipico technology introduced from Germany, Holland, Denmark and Singapore. Fine raw materials imported from the USA, Canada and Brazil are used in producing refined soybean oil, refined palm oil, refined sunflower oil, acid oil, fatty acid, etc. Over 1.5 acre area at the Meghna Economic Zone, Meghna Group of Industries has built MPP power plant spending 240 crore taka. This power plant is capable of generating 39 megawatt electricity and 21 ton steam per hour. Plant is providing required electricity and steam for Meghna Group of Industries of its own using the expertise of 110 employees and ultra-modern machineries from China, Italy and Finland. Schonagau Flour and Dal Mills Limited is operated following Bühler technology of Switzerland. Situated in 2.5 acres of area at Meghna Economic Zone, this mill was constructed spending 300 crore taka. Along with 147 highly trained staffs and fully automated process, this factory capacitates to produce 600 metric ton a day. High quality raw materials imported from Australia, USA and Canada are used to produce atta, flour and semolina, which are marketed under the brand name Fresh and Actifit. Tasnim Chemical Complex Unit 2 Limited is situated over 4.33 acres of land in Meghna Economic Zone. With an investment of 300 crore taka, this factory has got high-end automated machineries and 151 skilled employees to accelerate industrial growth of the country by reducing the dependency on import of basic industrial chemicals. Tasnim Chemical Complex Caustic Plant is capable of producing 110 metric tons caustic soda and 60 metric tons hydrogen peroxide per day. Meghna Beverage Limited is one of the largest ventures of Meghna Industrial Economic Zone. Using 4.72 acres of area and spending 250 crore taka, this factory is entirely automated, making bottles from pre-formed, filling products in the bottles. All the processes are done through a 600 BPM mold machine without any human touch, which makes the products totally health safeguard. Considering the maintenance of high standard and ensuring the perfect hygiene level for the consumers, the whole production line is set up at the first floor of the establishment. Meghna Beverage is manufacturing different soft drinks using high-quality raw materials imported from several countries of Asia and Europe. Meghna Beverage is capable of producing 36,000 bottles of drinking water and 36,000 bottles of soft drinks per hour. In terms of taste and smell, the products of Meghna Beverage are unparalleled. After all kinds of research and examinations, Meghna Beverage came up with these excellent soft drinks: Fresh Dhoom Cola, Fresh Maganda, Fresh Solar, Gear Energy Drink, Fresh Googly and Fresh Club 9 in the markets of Bangladesh to win the heart of its country people. Unique Cement Fibre Industries Limited is situated over 2.5 acres of area, spending 100 crore taka in the Meghna Industrial Economic Zone. 75% of the high-class fibre bags produced in this factory will be exported, which will contribute a lot in the country's economy. Along with ultra-modern machineries, manual process also provides the employment of 750 workers, of which 40% are women. Manufacturing with inverter technology makes Unique Cement Fibre Industries Limited absolutely environment friendly. The factory is capable of producing 220,000 bags per day. Its other products are cement bags, food bags, fertilizer bags, Zambu bags, etc. After meeting its own demands, Meghna Group of Industries is exporting different kinds of bags made in the unique Cement Fibre Industries Limited to several countries of Europe and North America. Sonargaon Steel Fabricate Limited capacitates for 2,700 metric tons of production in a day, with raw materials imported from China, Japan and Korea, along with the hard work of the employees and machineries of the latest technology. Prefabricated steel building and other steel structures are made here, such as column, beam, rafter, branching, praline, wall and roof panel. Due to global warming, metal structures are becoming more popular all around the world, just as in Bangladesh. Today, 1 in almost 2 households is using one or the other Fresh brands. According to Global Brand Footprint Study conducted by Kantar World Panel, Fresh is the most chosen food brand of Bangladesh for consecutive 2 years, 2014 and 2015. Besides, in 2016, Bangladesh Best Brand Award declared Fresh soybean oil as the most improved brand of the country. Fresh atta, flour, semolina and fresh refined sugar won the Best Brand Award in respective categories. In 2016, Fresh secured a total of 14 awards and mentions across 7 categories. In the course of being excellent in every sector it has reached, Meghna Group of Industries has achieved Best Entrepreneur for the Year 2016 award in the most prestigious ceremony of the country, DHL The Daily Star Bangladesh Business Award, held on 5th May 2017. We aim to win the hearts of our consumers through ensuring products and services with the best quality. Meghna Group of Industries, towards a better and healthy life.
MGI.
Yes.
So guys,
Yes.
कैसा लगा?
यार एक दफा तो होश उड़ गए हैं यार.
MGI, मेघना ग्रुप और ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. OMG, हाँ, MGI नहीं OMG होना चाहिए. उस्मान ने सही कहा कि MGI नहीं OMG, बाकी oh my god
होना चाहिए यार. और जरूरत है जिंदगी की, उन्होंने हर चीज तैयार की है और उनकी ईमानदारी है. एक आदमी यार इतना बिजनेस कैसे,
ये दयानतदारी है, ईमानदारी है. और आप लगन के साथ, मेहनत के साथ जब कोई बिजनेस करते हैं ना, उसमें आप आते हैं तो ऐसे ही अल्लाह पाक कामयाबियां देते हैं. तो गाइस वाकई बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है मेघना ग्रुप की. अगर हम बात करें तो बहुत ही कमाल का, और इतनी बड़ी इंडस्ट्री, इतना बड़ा, मैं कहता हूँ कोई चीज ऐसी छूटी नहीं होगी जो नहीं वो बना रहे हैं ना. हर चीज बना रहे हैं यार.
ईमानदारी, अल्लाह पाक उन्हें पता नहीं कहाँ से रिज़्क दे रहा है यार, उन्हें खुद नहीं समझ आ रही.
और वाकया ही ये बांग्लादेश का बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है जिसको हमने देखा है, इसलिए लोग कह रहे थे कि मेघना ग्रुप के ऊपर रिएक्शन दीजिए. और 21-22 मिनट की वीडियो थी, उनको 21-22 मिनट लग गए बताते गिनाते कि इतनी चीजें हैं.
अभी भी कोई ना कोई चीज रह गई होगी,
यकीनन रह गई होगी, बहुत सी चीजें मिस हो गई होगी, काफी चीजें रह गई होगी. और बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त यार, वाकई बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है. तो गाइस कैसा लगा आपको, और कौन कौन जो है इस ग्रुप की प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कर रहा है, कमेंट कीजिएगा. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, रखिएगा बहुत सारा ख्याल. गुड बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज़.